Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can access the reading tests that we're going to be taking online. These are going to be the unit assessments. So I'm going to log in as one of the students in my class, and I asked his permission if he could be my guinea pig. One, because he did really well on this assessment, and two, because he's really good at computers, and so he was able to help me find all the information, because this is the first time I've had to do this too. Okay, so I'm logging in as one of the students with their MyPortal username and password. And then I'm going to click sign in. Okay, so you can see I'm a student here, and so I'm going to click on Virtual School and I'm going to click on Canvas. The Benchmark Universe curriculum is housed within Canvas. So the kids only have one course published because that's the only reason I'm using Canvas is for the reading curriculum. So they'll click on their Language Arts course. And in here I have moved the Benchmark Universe hyperlink to the very top of this column so they can access it easily. They're going to click on the Benchmark Universe. And it always takes Benchmark a little bit of time to load. That's normal. Even if you have fast internet speeds, that's normal. Okay, so now you're going to go into assignments, and that's where you're going to see any of the unit assessments that they take. And you can see here this student has taken, it's a check mark, that means it's completed the Unit 6 assessment. You're going to click on that and then you're going to open it. And this is going to allow you to review the test with your student. And you can see right here, you can see if it has a green check mark, it means that the student got it correct. We're going to look at, you can see all of these are green check marks. Over here you can see that question number 9, he got part credit. So that means that out of 2 points, he got 1 out of 2. And so if you're not sure, I read the passages again, I'm not sure, why did I get this wrong? You can click on Show Correct Answer, and you can go over what the correct answer choices were. And then you can do that again on number 11. That one has a red X. That just means out of the 1 possible, it was not correct. So we're going to show the correct answer. And you can see that instead of A, the correct answer choice was C. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can see that this student earned 27 out of 29 points, which was an A. Very proud of him. This was a very difficult assessment for them. And so what I did do, I'll have you guys know, there was an essay question at the end, question number 20. And this student did answer it, but whether they answered it or not, I did give them 4 out of 4 points. So that was just an extra bonus to all of them for working really hard and also just getting familiar with using Benchmark's online assessment. So we'll be doing this every 3 weeks. We'll go to the Tech Lab and take these online tests. And this is the exact same format that your students will see or have seen already on the FAST, but also will see in our final FAST. It's everything that they see up here, these toolbars, the ways to get through the questions and answer choices. All of these are the exact same as they will see on FAST. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope that makes a lot of sense. And please email me or let me know if I can answer any questions in any way. Thanks, guys.